Hey, I'm Tony with Nextiva, and today we're going over how to set up a VoIP phone system at your office or home. Since VoIP is a cloud-based phone system, step one is to make sure you have a good internet connection. If you'd like to make sure your internet is ready to start using VoIP, you can check out the VoIP speed test in the description below. This test will tell you the quality and number of calls your internet can handle during normal usage. So once you've tested your internet, step two is to find the right VoIP service provider. Now this is obviously what Nextiva does, but it's helpful to first consider what features are most important to your business. Some features you might want are a mobile app for remote employees, advanced call analytics, or an integrated CRM. Knowing this ahead of time can help you find the right service provider much faster. Now we get into step 3, which is all about your business phone number. There are two different routes you can go here. You'll either be getting a new number, or you'll be transferring your current number through a process called porting. If you're starting with a brand new business number, you'll want to consider what kind of number you want. There are 4 types of phone numbers: local, toll-free, vanity, and virtual. For an in-depth video that covers why you might choose any of these, you can check out our guide to getting a business phone number in the description below. However, let's say you have a number through an existing provider and you want to transfer it without interruption. This is what it means to port your number, and your new VoIP service provider should be able to walk you through how to do it. Okay, we've got the number we need, so step 4 is to decide how you want to set up your phone system. For most businesses, this usually includes adding users and creating extensions, setting up an auto attendant to answer incoming calls, and building call flows to route calls to the right person. If you happen to choose Nextiva as your service provider, this is a pretty easy step using our admin portal. However, we also have an onboarding team who can help build out your account if needed. And lastly, step 5 is to set up your VoIP phones. These can be your desk phones, a mobile app for your laptop or smartphone, or a combination of the two. For VoIP desk phones, these connect directly to your router using an Ethernet cable, and they must have access to the internet. If the phone is already assigned to the appropriate user, it'll boot up and be ready to start making calls immediately. If you're having your employees use a mobile app, or often known as a softphone, it can be downloaded to their laptop or smartphone. Once they log in using their user credentials, they should be able to start making and receiving calls. And with that, you're all set to start using your VoIP phones. If you want to learn more about VoIP and connected communications, be sure to subscribe to the Nextiva YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications. Again, this is Tony with Nextiva, and we'll see you in the next video.